Girls, today we will learn about general knowledge and our topic of discussion is plant trivia. Photosynthesis is a process that plants use to make their food using water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. To slow down the loss of water, the body of a plant is covered with a waxy layer called cuticle. Sepal is a special covering that protects the flower while it is a bud. After pollination, the pollen grain travels down inside the carpel to the ovary. There, it joins with the ovule, which, when fertilized, becomes a seed. Vines climb and support themselves by using either twining stems, tendrils, aerial roots, or adhesive discs, sometimes called holdfast. Climbing plants are also called vines. The stamen is a male reproductive organ of a flower. It produces the pollen. The stamen has two parts, anther and stalk. The stalk is also called a filament. Pollen is a powdery substance consisting of pollen grains, which are male microgametes of seed plants, which produce male gametes. Pollen is carried by insects or blown by the wind from one flower to another. A plant kept in a dark place grows in a spindly manner as it goes in search of light. Root is the underground part of the plant. Its primary functions are anchorage of the plant, absorption of water and dissolved minerals, and conduction of these to the stem, and storage of reserve foods. Greenhouse is a structure with walls and roof made chiefly of transparent material such as glass, in which plants requiring regulated climatic conditions are grown. An annual plant completes its life cycle from germination to the production of seeds within one growing season and then dies. Perennial is a plant that lives more than 2 years. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in green plants. It is essential in photosynthesis. It allows plants to absorb energy from light. Coal is formed when dead plant matter decays into peat and is converted into coal by the heat and pressure of deep burial over millions of years. Girls, now let us move into the exercises. Number 1. Climbing plants are also called vines. Number 2. Pollen for the flower is made by stamen, the male part of a flower. Number 3. Pollen is carried by insects or blown by the wind from one flower to another. Number 4. A plant kept in a dark place grows in a spindly manner as it goes in search of light. Number 5. The roots of a plant take up water and nutrition from the soil and also anchor it. Number 6. Some plants are grown in greenhouses to keep them warm when it is very cold. Number 7. A plant that completes its life in 1 year is called an annual. Number 8. Perennials are plants that live for more than 2 years. Number 9. Plants need chlorophyll to carry out photosynthesis. Number 10. Dead plant material that lie buried under the earth become coal after millions of years. Girls, we have completed the first chapter. Now take out page number 15, plant trivia, and solve the exercises on your own. Now it's time to browse the chapter with some questions. Number 1. What is meant by photosynthesis? Number 2. Which plants are called perennials? Number 3. What is the function of roots? Number 4. How is coal formed? Number 5. Name the green pigment required by the plants during photosynthesis. Number 6. What is the function of a sepal? Girls, now let us do the second chapter of general knowledge. The topic of discussion is computer. A computer is an electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form, according to instructions given to it in a variable program. Bill Gates founded Microsoft in 1975. According to Forbes Rich List 2011, Bill Gates is the second richest man on the earth. The World Wide Web helps us to access the internet services. www is a huge collection of documents available on all internet servers that use HTTP protocol, the language understood by the internet, to transmit data or share information. Girls, it is time to go into details of the chapter. Software. Software comprises of the entire set of programs, procedures, and routines associated with the operation of a computer system. Internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities, consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. Megabyte is the unit commonly used to measure computer storage capacity and memory. Email are messages distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more recipients via a network. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from a web server and then displays the page on the user's device. Internet Explorer and Firefox are web browsers. Google is a search engine that helps users to find relevant information. A web page is a document commonly written in HTML that is viewed in an internet browser. A web page can be accessed by entering a URL address into a browser's address bar. A web page may contain text, graphics, and hyperlinks to other web pages and files. A website is a collection of web pages linked to a particular subject. Notable examples are wikipedia.org, google.com, and amazon.com. The home page is the first page of a website which gives relevant information about the website. A computer virus is a program that can infect files and harm a computer. A blog is a kind of online diary or journal regularly updated by an author or a group of authors. Girls, we have completed the second chapter. It is time for us to solve the exercises. Number 1. Programs and instructions that are used to run a computer are known as software. Number 2. A worldwide system of computer networks is known as the Internet. Number 3. Megabyte is the unit commonly used to measure computer storage capacity and memory. Number 4. Email is a way to exchange electronic messages and communicate electronically. Number 5. A web browser is a software program or application that helps one to access the internet. Number 6. Internet Explorer and Firefox are web browsers. Number 7. Google is a search engine that helps users to find relevant information. Number 8. A web page is a document that can be accessed by the World Wide Web. Number 9. A website is a collection of web pages linked to a particular subject. Number 10. The home page is the first page of a website which gives relevant information about the website. Number 11. A computer virus is a program that can infect files and harm a computer. Number 12. A blog is a kind of online diary or journal regularly updated by an author or a group of authors. Girls, open page number 21 of your GK books. The chapter's name is Computer. Solve the exercises on your own. Girls, let us revise the chapter with the help of some questions. Number 1. Who founded Microsoft in 1975? Number 2. What is the full form of www? Number 3. Define a computer virus. Number 4. Name a search engine that helps users to find relevant information. Number 5. What is meant by home page? Number 6. Name 2 web browsers. Girls, revise the questions we have discussed from the 2 chapters at home. We will meet again next week.